Ramogi TV.
Migao mar Thieth osetimo maber higani kipimo kod higa mokalo, ma en kaluwore kod riwruok mar lakteche KMPDU. Kanoloso kod Ramogi TV, jalup jagoro maduong' mar KMPDU Dennis Miskela lero ni kata obedo ni gitemo e higani, kata gisetemo e higani, pod nitiere tich maduong' ma sirikal nitiere godo maneno ni ute thieth nitiere kod jotich moromo, yedhe kod lwasi makare mar tich. Simfrozo Kinda nitiere kod ler.
Sekta mar thieth e pacho ka osebedo kod achiedh nade modhuro ma higa ka higa. E higa ok nyal kalo moyo dweche ariyo kapok riwruok moro mar jochiw thieth dhi e ndara ewi chudo, lwasi marach mar tich kata dwaro ndiko e yo mongirore. Ne waloso kod jalup jagoro maduong' mar riwruok mar lakteche KMPDU mano Laktar Dennis Miskela ewi kaka sekta no osedhache higani.
I have to say that there have been some level of stability. The last year we had struggled with the teething issues around SHA, which was a very big challenge. We also struggled with issues around the healthcare workers and their strikes, which have significantly reduced. There are also the uncertainties around when USAID pulled out of their funding and all that, which have somehow been stabilized. We now have our patients getting their ARVs, anti-TBs and all that. The political will in the health sector has been huge, with the president bringing in Honorable Duale. Honorable Duale being a politician, he has managed to balance the union's demands, he has managed to balance the governors' demands, the MPs. Everybody is able to handle that, because previously having the other ministers, I think the biggest challenge was that most of them were not politicians.
Kalorogi Miskela, thoth achiedh nade manegin godo ka higa chakore, sani thoth gi oselosi.
One of them was the issue around the internship, where the previous minister wanted to reduce the salaries of interns, and we told him clearly that when you start interfering salaries of healthcare workers, you're going to be in trouble. And he was able to sort out that. Secondly was the issue around the financing of healthcare, where we told them that the SHA had prohibited healthcare workers from accessing the comprehensive scheme that we were getting previously. And the Public Officers Medical Fund was then created by the government, and now we are contributing into it, and we are now getting that enhanced scheme. We had these workers who are under UHC on contract, who are who were hired under COVID to help support, who are on contract, and they were not being put on permanent and pensionable, and they are being paid half salaries. Right now, under this government, they are now paying them as per SRC standard salary, and they are now on path to getting them on permanent and pensionable.
Achiel kuom wich bar maduong' manonyedhore lela higani en kwan mamalo mar mine ma wito ngimagi e sama gikonyore. Miskela okwedo wach ni medruok mar nyuol e yor pala emosetero kwan no malo.
The patients themselves are now enlightened. They know the options they have in delivery. So this woman comes and says that, no, mi nataka CS. And right now, we are practicing patient-centered care, where what a patient wants is what to give them. So long as you have given them the informed consent, you tell them that you have these options. You can deliver vaginally or cesarean section. These are the risks involved in this and this. Then women make their own decision. And I can assure you, because I work in hospitals, there are more and more women demanding for cesarean sections. Some of them, you tell them, no, mama, you have delivered normally, you can do it again. They say no. And with this uptake of insurance, both SHA and even private insurances, where the women know that there's no longer cost implication to them on the mode of delivery, they'll go for it. They're not very keen. They're not very keen on pushing. They say that, oh, when they push, it will spoil their body, or what will... They have so many theories around the back.
KMPDU koro kwa sirikal mondo bug fuok manitiere ute thieth ma pacho ka, mana ni sekta no obedo maber ahinya e higa mar 2026.
We must have well-stocked hospitals. We must have healthcare workers, because putting me there na sina dawa ya kusimamisha kuvuja damu, you have not helped me. Putting me there and I don't have ultrasound to pick up that is a fibroid that might have cause difficulty in delivering, you have not helped me. You must have properly trained healthcare workers who are well resourced for us to protect our mothers.
Simfrozo Kinda, Ramogi TV.
Jumbe apar nyaka ne ik mane enogai mar ODM Raila Amolo Odinga par wuon mare makaon ka Jaramogi.